Watch. Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Here what go on, man. You don't know. Franchise the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know when I come to represent, you don't know a full effect thing, don't it? You don't know it go already, you know. When we aim up, load up, crank up, sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch this, man. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Here what go on now. You don't know a Gaza favorite. Watch. Huh? You know a Gaza favorite. Watch. So here what go on about now. Right now, you know, we see say the world boss preview brave. And she said, well then, this Sunday before necessary equipment drop, just like a big gospel song, you know what I mean? But right about now, you know, and that really are the fact of the matter right about now. The fact is that we see some local man run out and I talk about dancehall, you know what I mean? And I say, oh, the reggaeton business, you know what I mean? And the song them I take over the fucking radio station them all over England and all them shit there. You know what I mean? And producer them and the selector them I come out and I talk up. But here I go on now. The man them start mess with our music from the man them start act like some bitch. Is what me I deal with? Yo, some of the producer them gonna know for rip and run off, and them gonna know about the business side of it for steal the money from the artists them, and them don't know how to put back nothing in the culture, not the genre, dancehall music itself. Is what me I deal with? The first thing them doing on my brethren, and I try segregate dancehall, you know. Them don't want to work the same show together. Them don't want them on the same rhythm. If I produce a voice one, the next one I say him no want another one on the rhythm. And the producer them go ahead with it because through that person they are the act man at the same time. But him never watch further down the line, so them thing I go create. You know what I mean? So producer when time blood clot, the artist I tell you say him no want hear the man up on the rhythm. If you tell the artist to go sit down blood clot one side because I'm not him alone do bumbo clot music. Him won't go attack this time. You hear that? So no lollipop thing. First thing when I do is stop the sound clashing business. And stop the artist clashing business, and that fuck up the culture. Because our culture build up half of that, and that the people them amazed by, and that the people them fantasy about, because just name all of the blood clot hardcore show who are bring rap artists coming to Jamaica. The Nelly, the Ludacris, you know what I mean? The 50 Cent, the Rasclad, Chris Cross and all of them blood clot rapper. There are some big bumbo clot dancehall show. Them come work on, you know. You know what I mean? And I can't stop bumbo clot sound clash because sound clash is a thing that big up dancehall music all over the world. You see me? And people fascinated by that. You know what I mean? And Rasclad artists make crazy money like that. You know what I mean? With the sound clash business. Gaza Nation, I'm sure now when new addition have because I like it. On the blood clot. I want nice blood clot color that I like it. You know what I mean? But here I go on. Them now have no full white or a half white. You understand me? Yeah. It's a full white moment. Or a half white. Because between me and you know Gaza Nation, I have clocks in all different color, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't like when the clock smoke run up like that. But I not lie. You really have to stop and look on that colour, yeah. Tough. What do you think? Tough your fuck. I like that colour there, but you know a winter now, right? And all I wanna tough though. When the tough organization, a new addition, you know. A new addition sure. An expensive your fuck. And a lollipop thing. But here me I say Gaza Nation. Yo, if the artists them get back the thing together, the music lovers them, and the fuck of them will hustle out of music, because them are hustler, you know. If them get back the thing together, and them start go back and keep them hardcore show there, with them hardcore sound clash there, with the artists them a clash. You know, and with the artists them on the same rhythm. Once they get that 3-piece chicken and chips there, the world have to holler at way. And on a lollipop thing. All over the world have to holler at way. Because that's our roots, that's our culture, so we dominate the world. That's how we be knowing. You see what I deal with? Why we want to run from that? And people are taking on other things and people are going like it's okay. I not say nothing new. Not supposed to improvise now input. But that's our style, that's our logo. That's how we'll be knowing, that's how we represent. You see what I deal with? How if we run from our thing. If we run from our thing and gone in a different thing in a budget, well, I know recreate that and all them shit there, you know. We'll last out in that in my budget. We have to stick to our original shit, you know. The thing we make we be knowing, you know. The thing we make people talk about we, you know. You know what I mean? They all we rise up so big. You know what I mean? That's where everywhere in the world people want to be like Jamaican and want to talk like Jamaican. All the fuck would they rise up so big? You know what I mean? Because them love our roots, them love our style, them love our culture. You see what I deal with? And we want to stop all of that and I go in some fandangles thing and I go like some fucking bitch. Man I talk about levels, man I talk about him no want a man there on the rhythm there. Him not vice to the producer because him have the man there on the rhythm. Him not work the same stage show with a man there. Who the fuck you think he is? You alone can work the show? Eh? And these are all of the things them want to put up with. And then when the things stagnant certain way, you know what I mean? A man start talk about certain genre and music where does a blood clot push out. Una ball and this and that. From the internet coming on, you know, a boy can go up on the internet, go wind up himself and get some views and blood clot likes. And that's all you care about. You never care about the physical work of the fucking thing. You don't put nothing back in place in a dancehall. This is what I deal with. Because watch you know, what do you hear? The government, then, Mr. Honest, you see me? Want to shine some light to film election business. So, you know what I'm doing? Because we don't jump up and make him know, say, you know. You will promise, you know, for look into Vybz cartel thing, you know, and take off your old clocks and put on a new one, say you walk down the one there and put on a new clocks and say real bad man no muggling and shorts, you know, straight jeans and rare, you know, and cock up your foot, you know, up on the bumper and show your brand new clocks, you know, you see me? And you think sell off, you know, election get wrapped up, you know, you see me? And all know, you know, looking, you know. Now too we say that, you know, you run into daddy one now, you know. You see what I deal with? And I call yourself honorable bro God, you know. And you know, we see some people, you know, go like them and eat that, you know. And them are frightened Friday, you know. You see what I deal with? Jump up in and way, this and that. Yo, let me tell you something in a daddy one. That is something where you shouldn't even respond to, you know, yo. Because the same Prime Minister there, you know. And all know squash man can't work anywhere in Jamaica and him is not a wanted man, you know. You see what I deal with? And no squash man can't work anywhere in a Jamaica and him is not a wanted man. You shouldn't even answer them shit them a virgin. And a lollipop thing. A real talk me I make. You know what I mean? You know, if you give them type of hype because them no response to dancehall. And them not care nothing about dancehall. You know what I mean? Mad thing. What go on, man? Everything good? Full white you walk with a wipe your face? What you mean?
No, me have my tower.
What you mean?
Don't tell him I asked for him, man. Don't tell him I asked for him, man.
Yeah, man. The general, the 10-star one. I represent. Yeah. When I make the government come up with honorable brown God, you know, run up and down and I go like on a clown. You know a clown? Anybody where in a young sensation where in the limelight and highlight you want to run with. Squash man can work in a Montego Bay. Eh? And him not fucking wanted. Eh? Who a fix that? Who a fix that? The man said dancehall lock off 2 o'clock. Oh, no, if you hype him up. And him not do nothing for dancehall, but him want highlight from dancehall music. Him cannot black out dancehall and stop the man them from eat food. Stop the dancehall people them from make money. And una highlight him just because him say honorable brawl God. And dancehall and get fucked. And him run the head of the organization.
I got nutriment and I got insurance.
And what him say, you know what I mean? You think if him tell them boy if he leave squash man alone and allow the youth make him do him work, them can just run up on him anyhow.
I got roll.
Yo, no one not do, you know. No one not deal with it, you know. Because I don't tell you already, you know. The general come out and ball, you know. And talk and make we know what go on and say people after him, you know. And when them hold the general, you know, everybody go on like say that we're supposed to happen, you know. And right now, you know, them they tell you, you know, say October before people resume back to work, you know. You know, the 3 judges them, you know, to come with verdict and them shit there, you know. And October done, you know. As soon December we are going on, you know. Some of us want to know, you know. So when I'm hear some look at hypocrisy argument, we run into them line like that and I skin up on the teeth and I go like a lollipop thing. Because if you know it's a 10-star and I laugh with it, you know. A real thing not deal with it, you know. 10-star way I'm moving, you know, a God's way. No other way.
I'm got a train station.
Where?
Huh?
Watch. Yeah, man, in a real life, man, you know, no joke thing, man. Yeah, you know, fuck we not talk about honorable bro God. Honorable bro God, you bumbo clot and dancehall lock off 2 o'clock. Eh? I wanna stop the people, the dancehall fans them and the dancehall hustle them from make money. Do you have nothing in place with them people that can make money off of? You know what the general in the 10-star one? What? Yo, Gaza way, you know. Ain't no other.